Yo, are you combing? Yeah, I'm talking to you, bro. Are you combing? Because if you're not combing and you wondering why them connections not coming in, huh? You wonder why you cannot woof long, huh? You wonder why when you woof and you get a haircut, you're not seeing any progress, huh? That fork's still at the top, huh? It ain't moving down to the hairline until it releases out and be gone, huh? Because you're not combing. You sleep. Watch this video to the end. Let's go. If you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah.
Gang.
If you're great, they gon' hate. Ha! Yeah! What's good, PB gang? It's your boy Poppyblasted coming at y'all with another banger. Hey, look. I know I'm looking crazy, bro. You see this? I'm looking crazy, right? Look, check it out. I just got out the gym, right? And I got in the sauna. And I got out, right? And I said, well, you know what? I'm about to start combing and stuff that I do normally, you know what I'm saying, after I get out the gym. And I'm about to wash my hair, right? Which I will do washing style for you guys. You know, one of these days I'm gonna do washing style real soon, bro. So you guys can see how I wash and style my hair in 2023, going into the 2024 year. I wash and style is kind of different a little bit. I'm gonna put y'all on that video, all right? I got y'all, don't trip. But it's not today. Today, I'm doing a video showing you guys the connect, like basically how to connect your wave. What's the importance of combing, okay? The importance of combing. So I figure while I was about to comb and get in the shower and wash my hair before I get in the shower and wash my hair, I comb. You feel me? A lot of you guys probably sleep on combing. A lot of you guys don't know the benefits of combing. A lot of you guys just know that just to move the brush, which is cool. Move that brush. You know what I'm saying? Put in that work. Move that brush for sure. But there's more to it, bro. You know what I'm saying? A lot of you guys don't want to comb because when you woofing, you comb, your hair get lifted up, and then you like, I don't want to lay my hair back down. It's hard for my hair to lay back down because my hair is not fully trained. Or if it's trained, even like mine, my hair is trained, but it still be hard to lay back down after you comb because it's lifting up. So you kind of want a soft brush when you unrag. You don't want to, you try to like medium brush, soft brush, because you don't want to lift your hair all the way up. But really when you're woofing, you gotta comb, bro, so you can get down to the first layer of hair and get great results after the woof. You want to get great results. We don't woof for nothing. We woof for results. We woof for, you know, for connections to, you know, be on point, to break forks. This is a fork. We want it to be like this and flow with the rest of your hair. We don't want these. We want these, all right? We want them to be straight and connect and go with the flow of the rest of your waves, right? That's why we woof. We don't woof for nothing, all right? I've been woofing for years, bro. I always woof. I've been waving for a long time, bro, and after all these years, I always woof. I'm woofing now. I'm about to get a haircut. I probably don't woof as long as I used to because it's like, you really don't need to. And plus, I told you guys I might scalp. But anyways, man, with in the coming new year, you feel me? I might scalp and go 720. Told you guys, let me know if y'all want to do that. It was kind of like 50-50. You guys said, PB, scalp. You guys said, nah, I don't scalp. I like your waves like that. So I don't know, bro. I'm just gonna go with how I feel. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? But good looking out for letting me know. Anyways, all right. So I'm about to comb right now. And while we combing, I'm gonna let you guys know the benefits of it. You know what I'm saying? Like, so if you guys got y'all comb, you know, and if you woofing, comb. Even if you're not woofing, your hair, if the hair can go through your comb a little bit, you can comb. And it's actually easier to comb when your hair is shorter, because it's gonna be easier for your hair to lay back down. Because you don't want to rag up when after a comb session, just rag back up. You want to comb, hard, medium, soft brush, plastic bag, rag up. Okay? You don't want to just comb. You combing, and then you put your rag on right after that. You don't want to do that. You want to comb, you want a hard brush, you want a medium brush, you want a soft brush, you want a plastic bag, then you want to rag up. That's what you want to do, bro. All right, so let's comb together. Come on, man, pull out that comb, let's get it. Back to the old PB, man. That's what I miss doing these videos. Oh yeah, when you start, I'm tripping. When you start, I already started on my crown a little bit. When you start, bro, start from the crown first, okay? Start from the crown first, all right? So start from the crown and work your way down to the hairline. Start from the crown, make sure your crown, everything is combed out how you want it to be, right? All right? I got a beehive. I'm still working back on my crown, bro, because I cut my crown out last cut. So this cut right here, I'm gonna film it too as well. That's probably gonna be my next video. But this cut right here that I get, because that's what I'm doing right now. Actually, I'm combing out so I can wash my hair, and then I'm gonna get a haircut today, which I'm gonna take y'all with me too, but not on this video. This video is just strictly combing benefits. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna leave the other one for another video. I'm gonna leave the haircut video for another one. But yeah, start from the crown first. Okay? Start from the crown first. After you comb out your crown, then you want to get the rest of your hair, all right? And this is my combing technique. I start from the crown first, and then the next step is the right, okay? So this is how I comb. If you guys didn't know, this comb right here is called a crest. No, actually, it's not even a crest. This right here is the tool structure. Tool structure. I gave my son, actually my other one, I had two of them. I gave my son one because he needed a comb. I gave him this one. This is, bro, I don't know if you can find this no more. You can try to find it on Amazon. I think I got this, I don't know how long ago I got this a while ago on Sally's, at Sally's Beauty Supply. So you can try to get this one. It's nice. It's the bristles are not too far apart. It's a nice comb. It's you know, it's long. The bristles is not that sharp. You know how you got that comb where it's just sharp at the end right here? It ain't even sharp. It's straight. I've been having it for a while. I like this comb. I use that comb and I use this one too as well. This one is the crest. The crest right here. This is my red one, my red joint. I don't think you can find this nowhere though. It's my red joint right here. I use this one too. If you see this one, it got the wide bristles and it got the thin bristles right here. Small bristles, wide bristles. Small bristles when your hair is short, and the wide ones when your hair is long. But yeah, so then I can start to the left, I mean, comb like this. And with combing, man, it's just like, you comb like how you brushing. You go with the same pattern that you brush, the same angles and everything that you brush, the same brushing angles for your pretty much whatever type of pattern you have. If you got 360s, then you're doing like me. But you might not brush like me. You might brush at a certain angle. So I'm just saying, however your angles are, you want to comb that same way. Okay? Trust me, bro. Over time, you will see progress. You will see progress, bro. Trust me. Combing. You know, does it help with wider waves? It's all a process. It's all a process, man. It's all a process, man. Everything help with wider waves. You know, does wide brushes like the A119, A159, OG Diane's help with wider waves? I used to use those back in the days, and it helped me with my hair texture and stuff. But a lot of that stuff was just me brushing my hair a lot. Me having time to really put in the work. My hair texture changing because I'm using all natural products, and just brushing, having the time to put in the sessions. And over time, you put in the sessions, bro, you're going to see progress. You're going to see your waves start to widen because your hair is more healthier. The more healthy your hair is, the more bigger your curls are going to get, which is going to make your waves look wider. All right. So that's why you notice when like people who have coarse hair, their waves are small. But you can change that texture. You know what I'm saying? By going to poppyblasted.com, man, and getting your Go Drip products, man. This right here is Jolly Pomade. This is what I've been on my whole wolf right here. Jolly Pomade, all right? Great product, you know. If you guys didn't know, man, all my products is at poppyblasted.com, bro. Also, when you go to poppyblasted.com, matter of fact, go there right now. poppyblasted.com. You see the link right there. Link in the description box. Go there, click that link right now, and join text alerts. Why I want you to join text alerts is because when you join text alerts, you will get notified every time I drop any exclusive offers. I'm talking about like the sales. You'll get straight to your phone. Boom. It's easy. As soon as you go to the website, you will see it. Put your number in right there. Go to put it in, save it, boom. So you're gonna get alerted every time I send out a blast. You're gonna get alerted for giveaways, new products, new what else? Whatever I'm doing. New drops. whatever sales, whatever the case may be, whatever I'm doing, I do a lot. So you'll get it to your phone right away. Okay, bet. He having a sale. Let me get and get this 20% off. Boom. So I'm saying, like, you don't gotta purchase right away. You can wait until you got time to purchase, or if it's a sale coming in, boom, wait for it. There you go. You signed up. You saw it. Now I'm about to purchase right now because he having a 20% off. PeopleDoGoMerch.com. Go stop playing. Go shop. You know what I'm saying? Sign up for them text alerts, man. Sign up for them text alerts. But yeah, man. Combing very important, man. But everything, like I said, everything takes time, bruh. Y'all combing with me, right? Y'all combing with me right now, man. Comment below right now. Let me know y'all combing with me, bro. Comb with your boy, man. Comb with your boy. We pinning that comb. We moving that comb, bruh. We moving that comb. I know. See, look, for example, my hair is this long, right? Look. It's gonna be hard to lay it back down, bro. When that hairbrush hit, when you try to lay your hair back down, bro, use the hairbrush. It's gonna be hard because your hair is this long, bro. Like, my hair is long. It's not stupid long. I could go longer woofing. See? But it's gonna be harder, so I understand. You don't want to comb when your hair is long when you're woofing, but it's gonna help when you're woofing because this is getting down to this. It's getting down to that first layer of hair, bro, which is the where the roots is at. And waves come from the roots, bro. Your strain come from the roots. So if you're not combing, you're not getting to that roots. When you get a haircut and it show, when you cut down to that length, you're not going to see progression. If you do see progression, it's going to be slight, or you might overwoof. You know what I'm saying? So you got to really know when to comb, when to, you know what I'm saying, cut, stuff like that. Because if you cut way too long to cut, you probably gonna overwoof. So when you cut, it's like learning your hair, bro. It's pretty much everything is learning your hair. So when you cut, you will know when it's time to cut. I mean, when you woofing, you will know when it's time to cut. Excuse me. So then when you cut, you're gonna see progress because you know you wasn't slacking at that woof. I went crazy on this woof. I can't wait to get a haircut because I'm going to see progress because I was combing, like PB said. I've been combing, okay? So try to at least comb once a day. If you get 2 to 3 sessions in a day, comb once a day. If you get 1 session in that day, just know, comb. So pretty much just comb once a day. It doesn't matter if you get 1 session in. With that 1 session in, comb, all right? And like I said, your hair might not lay down as good as you want it to until you wash and style, like later on or whatever. It might not lay it back down like how you want it. And that's the thing that make people not want to comb really, because they be like, damn, it's gonna be hard to lay my hair back down. I combed my hair up, so laying it down is hard, especially for its coarse hair waivers, but it's gonna be worth it in the long run, trust me. So yeah, man, I just wanna put you guys on that little tip, man, like the combing tip, bro. Comb tips, because I haven't really talked too much about combing in a long time. And I've been slacking on my combing, so I just started back combing. So I'm just like, man, you know what? Let me do this video and talk to my guys. You know what I'm saying? Talk to my gang, man. Let them know the benefits of combing, man. Shout out to my new subscribers as well. I see them coming in, man. Appreciate y'all, man, for joining the family, joining the gang. Make sure you like the video right now, subscribe, all right? If you're new tuning into the channel, more bangers dropping. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know I try to drop them as much as I can, bro. I'm here with y'all, bro. I try to drop as much as I can, bro. Try, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm managing 2 channels. I'm managing the family channel and I'm managing this channel. If you guys haven't went to the family channel, what y'all waiting for? Go to the family channel. Support your boy, man. Watch your boy. Watch the family, man. We lit over there too. You know what I'm saying? I ain't really putting up tips over there as far as wave shit, because it's not a wave channel, it's a family channel. But you know, if y'all like me as PB and you like me as a person, go to the channel and support. Watch the video, alright? I love y'all shit, man. I've been doing this shit forever, man. I ain't gonna stop doing it either. I'm gonna keep going, bro. As long as I got hair, I'm here. As long as I got hair, I'm there. As long as I got hair, I'm there. You feel me? For y'all, I got y'all, man. Anyway, that's pretty much it, man. Just telling you guys the importance of combing. I'm about to wash my hair. Like I said, my next video I will show you guys like my haircut results and everything, because I am getting a haircut. I'm thinking about filming it and everything. Make sure you guys comment below. Let me know you know, what y'all want next, what videos y'all want. all that, you know what I'm saying? Cause I didn't touch, you know, bases on every thing, man. Every tutorial, bro. I got a lot of tutorials, but I'll bring them back for y'all. Let me know, bro, what y'all want. Let me know what y'all want, man. I got them for y'all. If y'all want those, you know, rate that waivers and all that, let me know too. Cause I got y'all on that too as well. I love rating. I love getting on the computer, sitting down, teaching at the same time. We clowning, we doing all that. You know what I mean? That's what it's all about, having fun with this. And I love doing it. I love helping. I love, you know what I'm saying, doing tutorials. I love reacting. I love doing all this, man. This is what I do. This is where I came from. You never forget where you came from. And I came from putting out this camera, investing into new camera gear every time, and putting and teaching you guys. You feel me? Getting out these tutorials and teaching y'all. That's what it's all about, bro. Love. Spread love. But anyways, man, I love y'all. And hey, if you're great, they gonna hate. Ha. Yeah. Let me get my black ass in the shower and wash my hair. Yeah.
Gang. Let go.